Yo, what is good with y'all? This is Mira from Internet Money, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some soulful, real classical feeling hip-hop beats for all the old heads out there. So
let's get straight into this tutorial.
Alright, so right off the bat, I have this sample courtesy of J Platinum, aka Platis, another Internet Money producer. Roll me through the rushes right here, and this is what the sample sounds like. So now I'm going to take this sample, drag it on my playlist. Then I'm going to time stretch it to 4 bars. Then I'm going to change the pitch up 600 cents. If we wanted to, we could bring it all the way up. But for the sake of this, I'm just going to bring it up 600. Then I just link it to my insert one mixer track, and then from here I'm gonna press this ARM disk recording, make sure I'm on song mode, and then do Alt R. Nope, when we click the mixer, Alt R, there we go, start. Now we have this 8-bar loop of the sample. Now I have slice X right here. I'm gonna click this, drag it onto slice X, turn off auto dump, auto slice, medium grid slicing, and now we have on tempo sliced chops right here. But before I start playing around with the chops, I'm going to go over to this little envelope over here, right click a new point, drag the third one all the way up, drag this all the way to the left. Now I'm going to zoom in on this point and bring it over just a little bit to avoid that declicking. Now I'm going to wipe this piano roll clean, and I'm about to mess around with this sample, see what I can get. Gonna send it back to the insert one, turn this ARM disk off, then add some EQ to it. Now I'm gonna solo out the bass frequencies and lay down my own bass pattern over it. Now that I'm done with that, I'm going to take this EQ off. I'm going to go back on this one. bring this one back. Actually, I'm just gonna lower this. Let me right click over here, default. I'm gonna add my snares. On this first snare, I'm going to do Alt F, activate this flamer right here.
And now for some live hi-hats, because we all know that the old heads hate these new choppy lawnmower sounding hi-hat chops and all these triplets and, you know, fast notes. So we're going to bring it back to the old school live drums. I have this plug-in Addictive Drums 2 right here. A lot of you may know it. I'm just going to mess around with the hi-hats.
Now for formatting the beat out, I'm going to go over to pattern 1, split by channel, delete all these, go to my keypad, press 1 for the first pattern, then press the plus key to keep pressing the next patterns and just laying them all down. And I'm gonna go Control A, Control B, keep doing that. Got our song, we can lay out our beat, we can lay out right here. Let's say we wanted a different intro so this main pattern doesn't get repetitive. We can also use this different section in different parts of the beat. I'm gonna make this unique. Right click over here, make unique. To tell this one apart, we're also gonna do right click again and change the color of it.